So guys, welcome to the part 4 of this video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to do basic SEO on Google Business Profile, the advanced techniques for ranking higher on Google Map. I'm going to talk about the Google Local Pack and its impact on search ranking, factors that influence Google Business Profile, Google My Business SEO tips and tricks, basic local SEO using ChatGPT. So if you have not watched other videos, kindly go and watch other videos whereby I discuss about how to optimize Google Business Profile and how to set up a Google Business Profile. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adeleke. In this course, I'm going to be showing you how to rank your Google Business Profile on Google with some basic techniques. I'm recording this video to teach you how to do all this thing and how to make money from this thing. So without wasting much time, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is, if you want to rank on Google, you need to first of all let's even first of all discuss about local pack. What is local pack? Local pack is the first three businesses that show when you search for a brand. So let's say I search for, let's just say okay, plumber in Lekki. So let's see what's going to come out. So now as you can see, the first three, this first three, 1, 2, 3, they are the one they call the local pack. You can see, so they are the first business that shows up when you search for a category. This is local pack, and the impact here is that everybody, it is let's say most of us, when we come online to check for a business like this, we all at the end of the 80% to 70%, 60 to 70% of us will want to work with the first three we saw here, the first three businesses we see here. So it will be the first one we want to work with because we believe that they are the one who is doing well. So as if you now go down and you see some other businesses that are also on the list. So but the first three are what Google first show you that are ranking. That is what they call local pack. So the first three are called local pack. They are the one in the first three category. Number 1 to 3, they are the first in the category. So the impact on business is that it really helps business to get more customers, because the higher you rank, the higher you get customers. So now let's go to the factor that influence Google ranking. Factors that influence ranking: number 1, review. Number 2, business category. Number 3, we have NAP. That's your business name. Let me open a business so that you can see. We have business name, address, and phone number. So so that I'll be showing you everything that all these functions and that contribute to ranking of Google Business Profile. So let me open this. So factor that influence the ranking. So let me open it. So the name, as you can see, the name also play a vital role here. Name, phone number, as you can see, phone number, the working hour, very important. The phone number, the working hour. So let me show you working hour. Okay, now here, hours open closes 11 p.m. The working hour is very important. The very service option is very important. So these are basic keyword basic functions that influence the ranking of Google Business Profile. The service, the kind of service the person is offering, the business is offering, is very important. That all these things are things that help in ranking. Reviews also, like I said, that review also play very vital role. Website also, if you have a website, it helps in ranking your business profile on Google. All these little things are part of things that help your business rank. So the next thing we're discussing the Google Business Profile tips and tricks. If you want to rank on Google, it's very simple. There's nothing like maybe very how will I put it? Should I say a technical, anything that has maybe technical much technical things inside? You just need to know the keyword your customers are searching for, what kind of keyword your customers are searching for. Most time when people want to search for something, they can search spa facial spa near me, restaurants near me, boutique near me. So that is most of the keywords people use within their vicinity to see, okay, which one is closer to me that I can go to. That, okay, if I go to this restaurant, at least within 5 kilometers I will be there, within 2-3 kilometers I'm supposed to be there, within 10-15 minutes I will be there. This is how it worked. So maybe let's say you are in your house and you search for restaurant near me, Google is going to recommend the one that are very closer to you, that within 10 at least 30 minutes you are already there. That's what Google will recommend. Before they will now recommend the one that is far, a little bit far from where you are. So it is not left to you to decide, okay, which one will I choose. So when you want to rank, you have to put all these things in place, okay, to know that, okay, if I'm going to rank, how am I going to get closer to people? So that's where having multiple location comes in. Let's say if you have the capacity, you can have multiple location. Let's say you have a restaurant, you can have different locations in each area, whereby when Google search for a particular business, your business, it will show in almost every location. These are kind of things that will definitely work for you if you put it in place. So like I said, check for restaurants near me. You see that they are going to show me restaurants that are close by. Restaurants near me. So they are going to show me the ones that are close by, so that as you can see, this one now, it said Craven Restaurant and Bar. So if I check the address now, it will be, because currently I'm in Calabar right now. So if I check, so I want to use my precise location. So let me click on choose precise location, so that it will bring me business and restaurants that are very, very close to where I am, so that I won't be needing to be going very far, so that it will be easy for me. So let's see. So as you can see, if I click on this one now, you see the address. So as you can see now, you see this one is in Port Harcourt. As you can see, but right now the location is not really valid, because me, I'm in Calabar currently. So I don't know why it's not showing Calabar. But if you are checking for businesses, Google will recommend the one that are very, very close by. So that's just the logic there. So they will recommend the one that are very, very close by. So I don't know why this one is doing like this. So okay. The reason why it's doing this is because it's showing Calabar. So let me use my precise location. Let's see. Is it showing Port Harcourt? I don't know why it's using Port Harcourt as my main location. So I'm not in Port Harcourt. So, but if you try it with within yourself, you know that, okay, it will give you the precise location, and it will show you where restaurants that are very, very close by. It will recommend restaurants that are close by to you. So that way, so let me choose also choose name. I want to explain this so that it will be very, very easy. So let me also choose within kilometer, 1.6 kilometer. Let's see what's going to happen. So let's see. So it's telling me you have any in Port Harcourt. I'm not in Port Harcourt, so I don't know why it's not showing me the precise location. But no, let's just go straight to what we are doing. So your location is very, very important. Make sure your location is very, very valid. So like I said earlier, factor impacting what's going to influence your ranking, your NAP, your name, address, and phone number, your services. Now we'll be discussing about basic SEO, basic local SEO using ChatGPT and keyword everywhere. Most of us might not know keyword everywhere. So if I search for, let's say, restaurant in Abuja, so I'll show you what keyword everywhere does now. So that you can see. So let this load. Keyword everywhere is a keyword tool that you can use to search for keyword. If you don't have it on your system, just go to Google and search for keyword everywhere. Keyword everywhere. So search for keyword everywhere Chrome extension. So install it. I already have it on my system, so make sure you install it. So I don't know why this one is slow like this. So now as you can see, this is set. You see, this is it. This is how it's going to look if you after you've installed it. You see, restaurant in Abuja with view, restaurant in Abuja, African restaurant in Abuja, Asian restaurant in Abuja, barbecue. These are what people are really searching for. Related keyword, restaurant in Abuja, top 10 restaurants in Abuja. As you can see, it will even give me long tail keyword. As you can see, restaurant in Abuja for birthday dinner, restaurant in Abuja will say, restaurant in Abuja that deliver, restaurant in Abuja will say. As you can see, so lots of these keywords is keyword that you can search for and use incorporate in your business. So let's say Indian restaurant, that means people are really searching for this Indian restaurants in Abuja. If not, it will not show it. So it's showing the keyword that are ranking in that location. So let's go back to here so that okay, now see here you said okay, now I want to show you how to have it on your system. So if you have it on your system, this is what you're going to show. If you don't have it, it's going to tell you to install. So just click on install so that you'll be able to install that in your system. So now let's go back to where we were, where we were talking about. So now if you want to check for a keyword, if a keyword is ranking or not, what you need to do is number one, you need to check Google suggestion bar. So as you can see, restaurant in Abuja. Now it says top 10 restaurants in Abuja, affordable restaurant in Abuja, best restaurant in Abuja, top 10 restaurant in Abuja with a view. If you remember, we got something like that here. Top 10 restaurants in Abuja with view. Let me see. I think we see so I think I saw a keyword that said I'm coming. I think I saw keyword that said restaurant in Abuja with view. So I could not see it again. Okay, so as you can see, restaurant in Abuja with a view. So if you come here also, you see that restaurant in Abuja with a view. So the importance of keyword everywhere that it helps you to suggest keyword, just like keyword suggestion. As you can see, I'm using the free version, so you can also use it to get keyword for your business. So if you want to use ChatGPT to get keyword, I'll also talk about that. But here now, you can just copy this keyword, make research about them, search it so that you'll be able to know the kind of keyword you use in your business. So as you can see, so keyword everywhere is very good. You can use it to even write to get topics for your blog post, to get a keyword for your blog post for your website. So this is a very powerful tool you can use for your what's it called, for your business, for your local SEO. So now here is it. You see, if I click on it now, you see different keyword everywhere. So as you can see, these are different keyword people are searching for. So you can also use this one also to get kind of keyword you can search for. This is just basic. This is basic keyword SEO for local businesses. So let's see, you type on best restaurants in Abuja, it will show you some other keywords. So these are basic things you should put in place. So after this one, I'm going to go and talk about how to use ChatGPT to get keyword for your business or maybe for your clients. So as you can see here now, as you can see, so these are the kind of details you should pay attention to. As you can see, keyword best restaurants in Abuja, 10 best restaurants in Abuja, good restaurants in Wuse, Abuja, top 10 restaurants in Abuja with a view. So that remember, restaurant with a view, show here again. So all these things are you see here again, top 10 restaurants in Abuja with a view. So all these keywords are keywords you put your pen and paper and write down or copy them into a notepad. Then you now incorporate them into your client's Google Business Profile. So how to now use ChatGPT for your local SEO research? So what I normally do is you have to go to, I have a keyword that I use here, a prompt, sorry. So now I'll copy this prompt, go to ChatGPT and paste. Now I'll do my editing. Now I said act like an SEO expert with 10 years of experience. Do insightful keyword research for me by crawling the internet for high ranking keyword. I have a business in the field of, let's say, restaurant. So restaurant, it might be hotel, restaurant. Find me keyword that people search for the most on Google and tell me how many search for them monthly. So let me just refresh everything. So show me the list in the order. Okay, show me the list in which phrases are searched for from high to lowest. Try to find as many phrases as possible that fit in my feed. So now click on enter. So when I click on enter, it's going to show me lots of keywords that people are searching for. So as you can see, it put them in tabular form. As you can see, restaurant, you have 1 million plus. Best restaurant, as you can see. So now, but make sure you put your location. It's very, very important also. So now I'm going to put location because based on this, it's generating this based on general, based on the whole world. So what you need to do now is I will now edit it again. I said restaurant in Abuja, Nigeria. So I'll search again. You see that the number will reduce. Do you see what I'm saying? You see now it said restaurants in Abuja 12,000. Best restaurant in Abuja 8,500. Abuja restaurant 7,200. So all these things are, you see, Abuja cuisine, Abuja eatery, Abuja food spot, Abuja dining. So we said these are based on available data and may vary over time. Focus on these keywords can help you improve. So now what you need to do just to copy this keyword and go on Google and search for it to confirm if the keyword are really okay. So let me just go back. Let me check for this country. Nigerian restaurant in Abuja, as you can see. So now you see that some businesses are already ranking for this keyword. You see, some businesses are already ranking for this keyword. So just copy and paste. Check if the keywords are ranking or not. So you just have to incorporate this keyword into your client profile or into your own personal profile. As you can see, lots of keywords. This kind of keyword at least is something you can use in your customer profile. So the next thing here is, okay, we are seeing on keyword everywhere. So once you get that, the next thing you just make sure that all these keywords you put them maybe in a file. Then you keep on doing your research, do your research, and after you've done your research, you now incorporate them maybe in your description, in your, let's say, you see, in your description, in when you want to be posting for them, in your post, in your reviews, especially reviews. Make sure you add them into your reviews so that by the time you post in your review, when you are searching for it, Google will pick it. Now, okay, this is it. This is a business that has this quality. So it's very, very important to put this thing in place. Use this method to get keywords for your business. It's very, very important. Use ChatGPT and keyword everywhere. You can use it to get, business high ranking keyword that you can incorporate into your client or your own personal business profile. So this will help you to rank your profile to rank on Google. It will help your profile to rank on Google and also position you as one of the best in that your field. So kindly watch this video again, or more, at least watch it anytime you want to watch it, so that you'll be able to learn more about this. It's very, very important to put all this. These are basic local SEO keyword research that I normally use. So, and I always use it for my client to help them rank their profile on Google. So these are things you put in place. When you do this thing, number one, make sure you have a very good keyword to rank. Keyword is what people are using to rank. Keyword is what people are using. So when you look the keyword your customers are using using on Google, you'll be able to rank more than your competitor. So if you find this video helpful, kindly like and share. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.